Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best gaming PC on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, finding the right mini gaming PC can be challenging. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best gaming PCs on AliExpress that offer impressive performance, modern features, and excellent value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. Coming in at number 1, we have the GMKtec M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor with 6 cores and 12 threads, this compact powerhouse delivers excellent performance for gaming, multitasking, and everyday computing. The integrated Radeon 760M graphics provides smooth gameplay in popular titles such as Valorant, Fortnite, CS2, and League of Legends. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and support for triple 4K displays, this mini PC offers impressive versatility for both work and entertainment. Pros: powerful Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, Radeon 760M integrated graphics, triple 4K display support, fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, compact and space-saving design. The GMKtec M6 Ultra is an excellent choice for gamers looking for strong performance in a compact and affordable package. Number 2. ACEMAGIC Ryzen 7 735HS Gaming Mini PC. At number 2, we have the ACEMAGIC Ryzen 7 735HS Gaming Mini PC, featuring an 8-core 16-thread Ryzen 7 processor, 24GB LPDDR5 RAM, and a fast 1TB NVMe SSD. This system is built for serious multitasking and gaming performance. Its powerful hardware allows smooth gameplay, quick application loading, and excellent productivity performance. Triple 4K display support also makes it ideal for users who work across multiple monitors. Pros: Ryzen 7 735HS processor, 24GB LPDDR5 high-speed memory, large 1TB NVMe SSD, excellent multitasking capabilities, triple 4K display support. The ACEMAGIC Mini PC offers a fantastic balance of gaming performance, productivity, and overall value. Number 3. GMKtec M6 Ultra Nucbox Mini PC. Taking the third spot is the GMKtec M6 Ultra Nucbox Mini PC. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor and DDR5 memory support, this mini PC delivers fast and responsive performance for gaming, work, and entertainment. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, while PCIe SSD storage ensures quick boot times and application loading. The compact design makes it perfect for users who want a clutter-free setup. Pros: Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, DDR5 memory support, fast PCIe SSD storage, Windows 11 Pro included, energy-efficient operation. The M6 Ultra Nucbox combines modern hardware and dependable performance in an ultra-compact design. Number 4. GenMachine Ryzen Gaming Mini PC. At number 4, we have the GenMachine Ryzen Gaming Mini PC. Available with powerful Ryzen processors including the 6800H, 6800U, and 7834U, this mini PC provides users with flexible performance options to match different budgets and gaming needs. The LPDDR5 6400 MHz memory ensures fast responsiveness, while the integrated Radeon graphics deliver impressive gaming performance for a compact system. Pros: multiple Ryzen processor options, high-speed LPDDR5 memory, compact gaming-ready design, excellent performance for the price, modern connectivity features. The GenMachine Mini PC is a versatile option that offers excellent value and flexible configurations for a wide range of users. And finally, at number 5, we have the GMKtec K8 Plus Mini PC. This premium system features the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS and powerful Radeon 780M graphics, making it one of the strongest mini PCs currently available. A standout feature is its OCU-Link support, allowing users to connect an external GPU for even greater gaming performance. Combined with DDR5 5600 MHz memory support and PCIe Gen 4 connectivity, this machine is designed for serious performance enthusiasts. Pros: powerful Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, Radeon 780M graphics, OCU-Link external GPU support, DDR5 5600 MHz memory compatibility, future-ready hardware platform. The GMKtec K8 Plus delivers exceptional performance and upgrade potential, making it one of the most exciting mini gaming PCs of 2026. These are our top 5 best gaming PCs on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming machine, a productivity powerhouse, or a compact system with upgrade potential, there's an option here for every type of user. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.